Samsung is rumored to be making a bold move by ditching the standard S Pen digitizer. Yes, you heard that right. This change could save precious space, allowing the Z Fold 7 to be sleeker than ever before. Imagine a foldable phone under 10 millimeters thin, that's thinner than many non-foldable phones. Talk about redefining slim. Mobile phone sparkles. Comparison visuals of Oppo Find N5 versus Z Fold models. The competition in the foldable market is heating up, with brands like Oppo breaking records at just 8.93 mm thickness when folded. But Samsung isn't sitting still. Rumors hint at a larger 8-inch internal display and a stunning 6.5-inch cover screen on the Z Fold 7. Perfect for multitasking or enjoying immersive content on the go. Animation of a sleek stylus highlighted features. And now let's talk about the S Pen. Leaks suggest a revolutionary shift. A brand new S Pen might transmit signals through an electrical field, similar to the Apple Pencil. While this means parting ways with the traditional digitizer, it could open up a world of possibilities. Plus, it might shave off an impressive 0.6 mm from the device's overall thickness. Direct it. Visual of Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition pricing chart. Voiceover. But here's the kicker, Samsung fans might have to dig deeper into their wallets. With premium features and cutting-edge tech, experts predict a price bump for the Z Fold 7. However, Samsung has clarified they're not releasing a budget-friendly Z Fold anytime soon, focusing instead on offering cutting-edge innovation for discerning users. Futuristic graphics showcasing AI-driven software. Voiceover. Here's the real cherry on top, Samsung's legendary software ecosystem. The Z Fold 7 is expected to feature One UI 7, packed with incredible AI tools like the Now bar and advanced multitasking features. Samsung continues to lead the foldable race by combining top-tier hardware with unmatched software design. Exciting teaser visuals of the Z Flip 7 and Trifold phone. Samsung's foldable revolution doesn't stop there. Word on the street is, we might also see the Z Flip 7 and even a futuristic Trifold phone alongside the Z Fold 7 later this year. Keep your eyes peeled as we get closer to July for these exciting launches.